Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss the subtleties of faktisk, 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 egentlig, 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 and virkelig, 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 nuances in Norwegian modal adverbs. In the Norwegian language, modal adverbs like faktisk, 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 egentlig, 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 og virkelig, virkelig, virkelig play a crucial role in adding layers of meaning to sentences. Although they may appear simple, the usage can significantly alter the tone and implications of a statement. In our discussion today, we will explore the distinct nuances of these three modal adverbs in the Norwegian context, providing examples to demonstrate their specific applications. Faktisk, 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 emphasis on reality. Faktisk, faktisk, faktisk is akin to actually or in fact in English. It's used to underscore the truth or reality of a statement, often in contradiction to what might have been previously assumed or implied. For example, han faktisk lege. Han faktisk lege. Han faktisk lege. He's actually a doctor. Here, faktisk, faktisk, faktisk implies that there might have been a prior assumption that the person was not a doctor. Jeg har faktisk allerede spist. Jeg har faktisk allerede spist. Jeg har faktisk allerede spist. I have actually already eaten. In this sentence, faktisk, faktisk, faktisk serves to clarify or correct a potential misunderstanding or assumption. Egentlig, 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 contradiction and underlying truth. Egentlig, 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 translating to actually or really, suggests a contradiction to a previous statement or an underlying truth not immediately apparent. It often reveals a deeper or more accurate reflection of the situation or feelings. For example, hva gjør du egentlig her? Hva gjør du egentlig her? Hva gjør du egentlig her? What are you actually doing here? This questions the real purpose of someone's presence, hinting that the apparent reason might not be the complete truth. Jeg vil egentlig heller bli hjemme. Jeg vil egentlig heller bli hjemme. Jeg vil egentlig heller bli hjemme. I would actually prefer to stay home. Here, egentlig, egentlig, egentlig reveals the speaker's true preference, potentially differing from what was previously expressed or assumed. Virkelig, 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 intensifying reality. Virkelig, 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 meaning really or truly, is used to intensify or affirm the veracity of a statement. It emphasizes the sincerity, seriousness, or degree of the matter being discussed. For instance, er du virkelig sikker? Er du virkelig sikker? Er du virkelig sikker? Are you really sure? Virkelig, virkelig, virkelig is employed here to stress the need for absolute certainty. Det var virkelig en god film. Det var virkelig en god film. Det var virkelig en god film. That was really a good movie. In this context, virkelig, virkelig, virkelig serves to intensify the speaker's positive opinion about the movie. The subtle differences between faktisk, 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 egentlig, 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 and virkelig, virkelig, virkelig in Norwegian are essential for conveying precise meanings or nuances in communication. These adverbs, um, though small, play a significant role in shaping the tone and implication of sentences, making their correct use a vital component of effective language mastery in Norwegian. Do you want to take Norwegian classes? We are now offering Norwegian classes at all levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. We are offering classes in classroom in Oslo or online. So if you are interested to register for Norwegian classes, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program, so if you have a friend that want to learn Norwegian, if you refer your friend, you will get 150 US dollar, and your friend will also get a discount reduction in tuition fee of 100 US dollar. So this is a win-win situation. So if you're interested in a referral program, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, one-on-one private classes, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.